This video covers script 7 from our chapter 3 book code. Now what's interesting about this is we have a navigation right here where we have an Ahref tag inside a div ID toolbar, and you see the toolbar says color white, background black. But what happens with links is a little bit different. So if I were to comment out this section right here, oops, make sure I use the asterisk for my CSS comments. But now when I hit refresh, it turns to the default blue. Now if I were to go to a P tag right here and just do test without the anchor tag, and I hit refresh on that, you see test is white. Well, anchor tags are a little bit different. In order to style them, you have to call out that anchor tag and give it a color of white. And this right here is your pseudo selector for what it is. Now if I just hit toolbar A like that and hit refresh, you see it's the same. If I go back to my link, all it does is carry a semantic meaning. But let's say I wanted to have a hover on this. I could easily do comma a hover like that. Whoops, link, and that would be white as well. But since we're doing it separately, let's do toolbar a hover. And this was taught in WebD 162, but it's just a reminder about these. And now you can see the hover is going to be red. So there's also visited, what looks like what the link looks like after you've already clicked on it, and this could be something like purple. I'm really more of a fan of hexadecimals, to be honest with you, but I agree with the book that it shouldn't be actually that should be, let me go with blue. So hopefully if we refresh this properly and hit this and go back, we have a blue. So this would just be the visited link. I'll leave it like this, but what we learned in this was the fact that anchor tags are a little bit different than most text presentations. In this case, we actually have to target the actual A, and it's important to use the link as well. It's a more thorough semantic conveyor of meaning, if that sounds okay. So anchor tag's a little bit different. Cascading will not work, but the specificity of the anchor tag will overwrite. So that's how to style an anchor tag based on cascading.